Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we are moving into something very practical and very real for your daily communication. We are going to focus on everyday action words. These are the words you use all the time when you talk about your routine and the simple things you do from morning to night. Things like waking up, eating, working, traveling, relaxing, sleeping. These actions are the foundation of natural English. Without them, you cannot describe your day or your life. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your routine clearly and confidently. Now when we say action words, we are really talking about verbs. Action words tell us what someone does. Everyday action words are simply the verbs we use again and again in daily situations. For example, wake up, get up, brush, eat, cook, study, work, talk, walk, drive, clean, exercise, shop, watch, listen, sleep. These verbs can describe your entire day from morning until you go to bed. Think about a simple routine. I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I eat lunch at 1. I relax in the evening. I sleep at 11. That short description covers your whole day only with action words. When we use these verbs in daily life, we usually speak in the simple present tense to talk about habits or routines. The pattern is very easy. Subject plus base verb. I eat breakfast. They work at night. For he, she, or it, we add s. He walks to school. She cooks dinner. This little rule is small but very powerful. Once you understand it, you can describe almost anything you do every day. Let me give you a natural example of a day in my life. I wake up at 7 in the morning. I check my phone for a few minutes, then I get up. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. I start work at 9. During lunch, I go for a short walk. After work, I relax, watch a few videos, or study something new. At night, I talk to my family, eat dinner, and then go to bed around 11. See how simple that is. It is everyday English. Clear and natural. Let us look at a small conversation to make it even more real. Hey Ramesh, what time do you wake up usually? I wake up around 6. You? I get up later around 7:30. Nice, what do you do in the morning? First I brush my teeth, then I make coffee. After that I check my emails. Sounds productive. I usually exercise in the morning. Really, that is great. I exercise in the evening after work. Same here on weekends. Oh, what time do you sleep? I sleep around 12. I watch videos at night. Haha, me too, I watch cooking videos before bed. That explains your food pictures. Hey, what do you do after work? I relax, listen to music and prepare lessons. Cool, sounds like a nice routine. This is how people naturally talk about their everyday actions without thinking too hard about grammar. Now it is your turn to practice. Try answering these questions out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you walk, drive, or take a bus to work? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you usually watch at night? When do you sleep? Even if your answers are simple, that is perfect. These small daily sentences are exactly how you build fluency. Before we finish, let me give you some more useful daily verbs that you can start using. Boil, prepare, wash, drive, travel, relax, meditate, practice, write, reply, send, read, shop, rest, charge your phone. Try adding some of these into your speaking. The more verbs you know, the more detailed and natural your English becomes. You did great today. Everyday action words are your best friend in English because you use them all the time. If you know 20 or 30 daily verbs, you can describe your whole day. If you know 50, you start sounding natural, confident, and smooth. Keep practicing your morning, afternoon, and evening routine. That is how fluency grows. I will see you in the next unit.